Hello everybody, my name is Mitch DeWitt and I am a financial advisor here at Walkner Condon Financial Advisors. I'm also a CFP, Certified Financial Planner. And I'm going to talk a little bit about sectors and factors. And they are not the same thing. A lot of times people understand sectors as maybe technology or consumer staples and those sorts of things. And they're exactly right. One thing that I want to particularly talk about is what happened in 2021. So for example, the two sectors that really climbed to the top are energy and real estate. And it's really interesting because we see a reversion to the mean year after year when we're tracking different sector performance. So for example, in 2020, energy was the big loser, so to speak. They actually greatly underperformed any other sector that was out there. In 2021, very different story. They rose to the top of the pack and outperformed every other sector. The other sector that was kind of interesting, like I mentioned, was real estate. Real estate had a big year in 2021, and also what we saw in an inflationary environment seemed to hold true, is that energy and real estate did fairly well. The other thing that I wanted to talk about briefly in this video are factors. So factors are more of growth or momentum, value, high beta, for example, different factors that you look at in an attempt, in some cases, to outperform the market or at least mitigate risk in some cases. So it is not a passive investment strategy. High beta was the big winner in 2021 from a factor perspective. In years past, we've seen growth seem to outperform, especially when you're talking growth compared to value. At the end of 2021, growth and momentum and some of those high flyer type factors seemed to cool off definitely towards the end of the year. If you'd like to learn more about either of these topics, feel free to check out our detailed investment guide, or also feel free to reach out to any of us at the firm at any time. Thanks.